Okay, so how you can search files on your MacBook Pro M3 machine. So to search files, I'm going to show you there's actually a couple of ways to search files on your MacBook. The first method, we can press on your keyboard. Like if I have to compare searching files on Windows compared with the MacBook, on actually Windows, you can find here down there, that search button or right over here. There's this search button. You click on it and then you'll be able to search files. But here on Mac, if you actually click on this one here, if you click on this, now you can search for anything you want pretty much. And you can actually, if you're getting too many results, let's say you're right here, whatever app or file you want, and then you will see a lot of results, but you like to change that. So we're gonna have to go here to system settings. So click on the Apple logo and then select system settings, and then here, sorry, it just popped up on my second monitor. So here we're gonna have to go to Siri and Spotlight here, and then here search results. Only select categories will appear in Spotlight search results. And here, of course, I actually unchecked some of this because I just it's not I don't need them. So you can uncheck some of them. And now, if you don't want to go every single time, click on the search bar. I know, like on Windows, you press Windows logo plus S. Here on MacBook, you have to press Command plus space, and you open the search light, Spotlight search. Now here, of course, you can write the file that you're looking for, but now I'd like to show you a different method. So if you write Finder, or you click down there in the dock, you can find your Spotlight. But now here, I think it's very easy on MacBook to find projects that you worked on in favorites. Here you can see recent. You can click on recent and then see what projects you worked on, all the recent files. You can also customize here and show these columns or icons or gallery, but I like list. And something here very nice is you can you can click on go here, and then here you can click on go to a folder. And now here, maybe I can write a library, use this icon here, and library and caches. It shows me, for you will see a clear search. But for me, I'm seeing this because I just used this recently to clear the cache. So if you want to clear the cache, you click on this, and there now in here you can see your clear files. And you can click on columns, so you can see where you go, actually where is located. So if you click on here and then users and then the user and the library and caches, you can click your cache on your MacBook. And also you can search for files on here, search on file and app. And now here you can see file names and you can see searches. You can click on this plus and then click on other, and then here you can check what you want to search, attributes. Maybe you want to search created date. So you have a lot of options on MacBook, so just look through this and check what you want, because if you search, check this, will show there. So matches, contains, so yeah, you have a lot of options, as you can see. And then I think I covered everything you need to know. I mean, there's many other things as well, but for now, oh, I forgot to show you guys. You can also search, like if you just press command and space, you will just search. But maybe you'll want to look for a file on your MacBook by a letter, by a number. Actually, that's within a file name. So you're gonna have to write here name, and then you write here the letter you want. The letter you want here. And that's another way. Now, maybe you want to search a file by their file type. In this case, you have to write here kind, and then here you can search what you want, you know. And maybe now you want to search file and folders by the date you just you opened it. So you can search date, and then here open that, write the file. Now maybe you want to search a file by the author that created that file. So you have to write here author and then search there. And also here, when you want to search for a file, make sure you actually click on this to search. But what if I actually mentioned this in this video that you can click here, but what if you don't want to move your cursor here, you want to use the shortcut? So please use the command plus F. It's much faster, and it can save you more time. So also here, when you open a new tab, you can open in a new tab different, maybe download, maybe whatever you want. And yeah, you can search now, and it's also pretty fast. Also, I actually see that it's quite fast compared with Windows. I don't know, maybe it was my computer, but I just see my previous Windows computer. But actually was quite good, but I still don't know exactly. But I see that it's here, it's quite fast, which I really like. Now you can see here, search this Mac window, download, and then here you can click on save. But this one specify save as, or click on minus. If you click on plus and click on plus again, search last opened, you can see last opened within the last after this date, or exactly this, or within days, you know. And then you can write search here and save. You can save this, which is really nice. And I think this is great if with Smart Folder, if you're looking for a way to automatically organize your folders. So imagine if you are consistently updating your search, that shows exactly what you need. You can set the rules, the files, type of the creation, the date. So Smart Folder automatically match all the files from anywhere on your Mac, and it keeps your files organized and available for you. So here, if I change this to desktop, and I selected this, I have this, and now I have this file here and here on desktop. So it's pretty cool. It's gonna save you more time if there's a location on your Mac that you're always opening, so you can save this. Now you can remove it from the sidebar and move to bin. But the most, I think, used one is to use the spotlight. Now, a setting that I found very helpful when I'm searching with Spotlight is, let's say I want to go to settings, on system settings, and I'm looking for wallpaper. So I'm just going to write here wallpaper, and it's going exactly into the settings. So this can really save time, actually. Let's say you want to go in the control center or in general. You can write general, then will just appear on your screen. But yeah, so maybe you want to go to the wallpaper. Well, here in this case, you can just right click and change wallpaper. So yeah, that's another method. Now here, to go back to our previous in the Finder, because I hear you can really look for a lot of files here. If you want to search, you can really search for a lot of information here for exactly what you're looking for, basically. Because I'm talking about Finder here, I think it's a great thing that you can do here is you can type data and then today. So now you're gonna see what you actually opened today, you know. Sorry, just and this way you can write data. Okay, date today, or on this MacBook. And now I think another one that's very helpful is to, instead of doing that, instead of typing date, we can just type today. And then here you can see date today, this Mac today. Now you can also see here today if you see file names that contains today or contains today content, you know. So again, this can be very helpful. And maybe you're looking only for a PDF, so of course here in the search bar you can also type PDF. So now it's only going to give you PDF files. So here you see name contains PDF. So yeah, I hope you found this helpful, and thanks for watching and take care.